Happy day, children. In our last video, we saw what a balanced diet is and how to make a healthy food plate. Children, there are some foods which will be available only in specific seasons and specific place. So, you should know that it is equally important to preserve food and store it properly to prevent it from getting spoiled and make it available easily. How does a food get spoiled? Food gets spoiled due to growth of microorganisms, chemical reactions, due to insects and worms. Generally, microorganisms grow in the food under favorable conditions which include proper air, water and proper warmth. So, you can prevent them from growing on these foods by removing these favorable conditions. How can you do that? These are some of the methods of food preservation. First one is drying. All the dry fruits like raisins, figs, berries, etc. can be preserved by drying. It is nothing but removing the water content of the food. So when there is not enough moisture in the foods, the microorganisms cannot grow in it. Next one is pickling. Mixing fruits and vegetables with salt and oil. Example, mango, lime, etc. are available as pickles. Microbes cannot grow in salt or sugar solution. The third one is refrigeration. Keeping food in fridge to preserve it for a short time. Example, milk, vegetables, eggs can be preserved by refrigeration. Deep freezing. Frozen foods can be preserved from spoiling for a longer time. Example, keeping meat, fish, ice creams and chocolates. Next is canning and bottling. Storing foods in airtight cans and bottles prevent the growth of microorganisms. Example, bottling of sauces and jams. Eating fresh fruits and vegetables alone will not help you to stay fit in the long run. Our body also needs rest for proper functioning. Young children need 9 to 11 hours of sleep in a day. During sleep, our body prepares itself for the next day activities by restoring the lost energy. Posture. Posture refers to correct body position. Incorrect postures over a long period of time can lead to pain in joints and muscles. You can see in this picture the wrong and the correct postures while walking, standing and sitting. You should always keep your back straight without leaning front or back. You should rest your feet properly on the floor while standing and sitting. Your chin should be in your shoulder level and hands should rest properly while sitting. Last but not the least, you should exercise every day so that you remain flexible and stay healthy. Regular exercise like walking, jogging and playing outdoor games like hockey, cricket, football help us to stay fit. Yoga, an ancient method of exercise practiced in India, keeps both our body and mind healthy. So children, you all should eat healthy foods, play outdoor games and practice yoga to stay fit and active. Thank you.